In this lesson, we will solve question number 10th and 11th of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. And question number 10th, we have 2y plus 5 equal to 4. We have to find out the value of y, and at the end we have to explain whether it is linear or not. So see 2y, we do not have any other variable on the right hand side, so only 2y will remains the same on left hand side, 4 will remain same on the right hand side. We will just take the transpose of 5, means we can take my positive 5 to the other side of the equation, so the sign will change. 2y is equal to, this is positive, negative, minus 1. We do not want 2, we only want y. So what is the relationship between 2 and y? Multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is 2, so you have to divide it by 2, right? So in this way we will eliminate this 2, so y is equal to 1 over 2. The value of y is 1 over 2. It means it is linear equation. And question number 11, we have 5 minus 4x is equal to 6. So see, negative 4x will remains the same on left hand side and 6 will remains the same on the right hand side. Only we will take the transpose of 5. There is no sign, it means it is positive. So take 5 to the other side, which is called transpose. It will be minus 5, sign will change. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Here we have negative 4x, but we want only x here. We do not want negative 4. So what you want to do here, we will same thing, is a negative 4 just divided by negative 4, or simple 4 we will take negative there, but you can do like this. So this negative 4 will cancel each other. X is equal to negative 1 over 4. So again we have some value of x. X is equal to negative 1 over 4. It means it is a linear equation. You can practice these questions, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.